In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font in Zoho Mail. Changing your default font can make your emails look more professional, easier to read, and more consistent with your personal or company style. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact steps inside Zoho Mail, and I'll also give you some helpful tips so you know what each option does and how it affects your messages. First, make sure you're signed into your Zoho Mail account in your web browser. Once you're logged in, you should see your usual inbox view with your folders on the left and your emails in the center. This is where we'll start. Next, we're going to open the settings. Look toward the top right corner of the Zoho Mail interface. You should see a small gear icon, which represents settings. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. If you're using a smaller screen or your window isn't maximized, the icon might be a bit tucked away, but it will still be there in that upper right area. After you click the gear icon, Zoho Mail will open the settings panel or page. Here is where you can control a lot of different options like themes, layout, and composing preferences. For changing the font, we're interested in the section related to appearance or composing settings, depending on how Zoho organizes it in your version. Now look for the option labeled Font Family, or something very similar. This is the control that determines which font is used by default when you compose an email. Right next to the current font name, you'll see a small arrow, often pointing downwards. This arrow opens the list of available fonts. Click on the small arrow below or beside the font family name. A drop-down menu will appear, showing you the different font options you can choose from. Take a moment to scroll through the list and pick the one that best suits your needs. For example, you might prefer a clean, modern sans serif font for a professional look, or a more traditional serif font for formal communication. Once you click on your chosen font, Zoho Mail will apply it as your default font for composing new emails. You usually don't need to press a separate save button here, but if you do see a save or apply option in your settings page, make sure to click it so your changes are stored.